Today, we're looking at the top 5 state capital cities in the United States. I recently returned from traveling cross-country around multiple U.S. state capitals, and we've compiled this list based on a combination of factors, including historical and geographic significance, popularity with tourists, and available activities. These cities are freaking spectacular, and I hope you get to go. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications. I'll be making sure to keep you up to date with travel and global content. Run the intro. Austin, Texas is a vibrant city that has a lot to offer tourists. Its location in the heart of Texas makes it a great starting point for exploring the state. The city is home to numerous museums and tons of bars and restaurants, and has one of the biggest food truck scenes in the country. Visitors can also enjoy the outdoors at Lady Bird Lake, where they can kayak or paddleboard, or take a dip in the Barton Springs pool. Music lovers will appreciate Austin's reputation as the live music capital of the world. With countless venues showcasing a variety of genres, Austin is accessible via several major highways, including I-35, which runs from Laredo, Texas to the Canadian border in the north. There's one capital city that often gets overlooked, despite its rich history and unique character. I'm talking about Richmond, Virginia. Founded in 1737, Richmond served as the capital of Virginia during the Revolutionary War and the Civil War. It was here that Patrick Henry gave his famous "Give me liberty or give me death" speech in 1775, rallying support for the American Revolution. And it was also here in Richmond that Robert E. Lee surrendered to Ulysses S. Grant, effectively ending the Civil War. Today, Richmond is known for its beautiful architecture, its vibrant art scene, and its rich cultural heritage. Monument Avenue is lined with spectacular architecture and beautiful homes, and the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts is home to an impressive collection of art from around the world. But perhaps Richmond's greatest asset is its natural beauty. The city sits on the banks of the James River, offering stunning views and endless opportunities for outdoor recreation. So the next time you think about capital cities in the United States, don't forget about Richmond, Virginia. Denver, Colorado is a city that combines the best of urban living with access to the great outdoors. Located at the foot of the Rocky Mountains, Denver offers plenty of opportunities for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. Denver is home to numerous museums, including the Denver Art Museum and the Colorado History Museum. Visitors can also enjoy the nightlife in the lower downtown area, which is known for its bars and restaurants. Denver is accessible via several major highways, including I-25, which runs from Las Cruces to the Wyoming border. Boston, Massachusetts. As one of the oldest cities in the U.S., Boston is steeped in history. The Freedom Trail, a 2.5-mile walking tour, takes visitors to 16 historical sites, including the Massachusetts State House and Paul Revere's house. Boston is also known for its food scene, with famous dishes like clam chowder and lobster rolls. If you're a sports fan, catch a game at Fenway Park or the TD Garden. Boston is accessible by several major highways, including I-90 and I-95. Washington, D.C. is the capital of the United States and is a city that's steeped in history and culture. Visitors can explore numerous museums and historical landmarks, including the Smithsonian Museums, the Lincoln Memorial, and the White House. The city is also home to numerous monuments and memorials, including the Washington Monument and the Vietnam Veterans Memorial. The U.S. Capitol and the Supreme Court are open to visitors, which is freaking awesome. Washington, D.C. is accessible via several major highways, including I-95, which runs from Miami to Maine. If all of this talk about traveling to capital cities has got you excited, but you're still not sure about where your next vacation is, this next video about Washington, D.C. is for you.